Hi guys, I am here with my January Wantable box and I'm going to open it up in front of you. Okay, as you can see, I did already take a little peek, but I haven't tried anything on, I promise. I actually haven't had time, right? Okay, so here we go, January's Wantable box. First things first, you have a little sneak peek. It's a hat. So I'm a big hat person. But I've never had a hat like this unless you consider a sun hat like this. So I'm kind of excited to try it. We will see. This item is really neat looking sweater. It's got like definitely some different lines, which I like. I don't like boring clothing. Gold buttons, not buckles, they're buttons. This one actually, I don't know if you can tell, this one looks very fitted. Okay. Third thing, we've got a camo. Do you love camo? I love camo. A camo, this is a really nice thick cardigan. It's got pockets. I love pockets. Ooh, I like this. I already like this one. Nice long cardigan. Something else in kind of like a dark green again. Ah, this definitely looks like a dolman fit, doesn't it? Boom, dolman fit I find super flattering because it kind of hugs down below anything we might want to hide. And then it's kind of flowy on top. Yeah, I like it. Looking forward to trying that. Super fuzzy. Ooh. Here we have more of like a camel colored. Oh, just kind of a nice, simple, super soft, like a crew neck looking top. Let's see this next one. I think this is an LA made company. 78 and Sunny. Right, it just looks like this super simple gray t-shirt. I love this company. I'm finding when I try their stuff, it works really well for me. And gray with the little stars, you can't go wrong. All right, one more thing. We have some, what is the brand? Unpublished brand denim jeans, Jolene vintage cut, A flare. Ooh, these look like a nice baggy-ish wide leg. They kind of have a little bit of a press seam thing going on. Pockets, what does the front look like? A little bit of a worn look. They're super soft. These definitely have something in them that makes them soft. Vintage cut, A-line flare. Super cute. So, you guys, I am going to try every single one of these items on for you. I'll be quick. I promise. I won't talk too much. And I'd love your help deciding because it's really hard for me to decide, which is why I use them for help. I've noticed this time a lot of these aren't super matching, but they go back and they look at my profile and the things I've already bought from them. Of course, this company uses like actual humans to look at what you like and they decide. So I should probably go and get a couple things that I've already purchased from Wantable and see if we can't make some outfits. Okay, see you in a minute. All right, you know I had to try that hat on. What do you think? Looks like I should be sipping mimosas on the beach. I like it. It's really comfy. I think it would double as a good sun hat and as a good, like, I'm at the park. I need to try my sunglasses on with this, so I would be very covered up. I like it. It's really comfy. It's softer than I would have expected. And, which I had no idea because I've never had a hat like this before. But check this out. There is, where'd it go? There's a ribbon inside. So you can pull the drawstring and make it tighter if you need to make it tighter. Who knew? Cute hat. Yes? No. I'm thinking maybe. All right, first thing. I have that little camo cardigan on. It is cute. Kind of nice. What, hip length? Okay, here's that dolman I was talking about. See how I think they're flattering? Because it kind of snugs in at the hips and then loose and forgiving in the middle. And then a nice like wide neck. I think they're flattering. This one's a nice color. It's super soft. I could see myself wearing this. Should we wear it with a hat? Let's wear it with a hat. Oh, but no headband. All right, simple but nice and soft cotton t-shirt, the cute little v-neck and some stars. So I'm trying all of this with some black jeans that I got from them actually on my very first box. We're gonna go loose casual, and we're gonna do a trick that someone taught me where you tuck in the bottom of your shirt to your belt loop. You don't tuck it into your pants, you tuck it into your belt loop, and you can get kind of a different look, a little bit more fitted. All right, this is kind of that snug top with the lines going different directions, the little buttons, but yeah, for a size large, this is definitely more fitted. It's extremely soft. I feel like it would be really cute with looser jeans, like flare actually would be super cute. All right, so I tried that sweater on with the jeans they sent that are a looser A-line, whatever it was I said when I opened them, right? That's what they are. They're fun. They're extremely comfortable, soft as can be. But I think this snug shirt goes better with these pants. I know it's so hard to get all of me in the camera. I'm 5'10". Oh, I don't know, almost 160 pounds, probably a little under that. I promise I will weigh myself this week so I can give you guys better like estimates. I've currently, over COVID, been about a size 12. If that's helpful. The jeans are comfy. I feel like they might be a little, I think I need to drop my pant size down. I think my pant size has gotten smaller. Hooray. I kind of like it. Next item. This is that like, that creamy top. It's really soft and kind of smooth, and it almost has a glossy feel, at least under the lights. Should we try it with the hat? Let's try it with the hat. This is like taking the dog to the park outfit. And I just lost my light, so I think that it's time to go. Wait, don't go. Okay, I just went downstairs in this outfit to show my family, and then I realized that this entire outfit is 50% off. This hat, half off. This interesting little sweater, my teenager was like, I really liked it until I saw the buttons. It's okay, I'm not a teenager. I like the buttons. Can I show you the pants in not a weird, creepy way? Right? All of it, half off. Hard not to keep it. Thanks for watching.